Hey everyone, Jacob with MarineMax of Savannah here, and today I've got a 2027 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. We just received this boat, just removed the packaging, so I'm going to give you a little tour. As you can see, the boat comes standard on this swing arm galvanized trailer. We ordered the boat in white with blue graphics, and we got a little flexi teak going on the stern. This boat comes equipped with a 90 horsepower Mercury. It has twin gas cans, and it's got a little cooler right there in the center. You've also got the bimini top, which can lay down if you don't want that in the way. It can lay all the way down towards the stern there. Anchor locker storage up here. And overall, just a great little boat to get you on the water. Maybe a few people, get the kids out, have some fun. These boats are like go-karts on the water. So once again, I'm Jacob with MarineMax of Savannah. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.